Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Business Mentality, and in this video we're going to be sharing the 6 best tips to making more sales on eBay and actually how to save money when it comes to shipping. So before I get into this video, I just want to say, if you guys are new to this channel and you want to learn different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you could be notified when we upload new videos. So let me just get into the first part of this video, which is going to be the selling tips. So the first tip that I have for you guys is to list more items. So when you're listing more items on eBay, you actually increase your chances of making more sales. So the more items that you have, the more likely people are to see those listings and actually buy them. Now the second tip that I have for you guys is to promote some of your listings. So this is going to help you to get your item in front of more people when they search a keyword that's related to your item title. So when it comes to promoting your listings, you can actually choose how much percentage you want to put into your advertisement. So whenever somebody clicks on your promoted listing and they buy that listing, that's when they charge you a fee. But if they click on your regular listing that you're not promoting, they don't charge you a fee for your promoted listing. I hope that makes sense. So the third tip is to have great customer service. So if somebody messages you about an item that they have a question about, I recommend you guys get to them as soon as possible, because the longer you go without responding to messages from customers, the more likely they're gonna just look at somebody else's item and make a purchase from them. So you want to make sure that you respond to messages and questions from customers in a timely manner. Now the fourth tip is to take better quality pictures. The better looking your photo is, the more likely somebody is to click on it and buy it. So I've done a video in the past where I talk about how to take better quality pictures for eBay, and I'm going to leave a link in the cards if you guys want to check that out. But basically in that video, I just recommend to invest some money into a light box, which is going to help you take your pictures to the next level. So selling tip number 5 is to research items that are sold if you're looking to start selling new items. So if you're not sure about selling an item, if you're wondering how well it sells, all you have to do is just go into the search bar of eBay and then type in the item that you're thinking about reselling, and then just put the search filter on sold items. And it's going to show you how often that item has sold. So you can kind of gauge more or less how popular an item is. And the last tip that I want to share with you guys is to ship out items fast. So whenever somebody purchases an item that you listed, I recommend that you ship them out as soon as possible, because the faster a customer gets their item, the more likely they are to leave you a positive review. So the more reviews that you get, the better it looks for your seller account. The second part of this video, we're going to be talking about the sales process and what to do when somebody buys your listing. So if you're new to eBay, this is going to help you out, and it's going to save you from making mistakes, and we're actually going to show you how to save some money.
Okay, so you want to know how to save money on shipping. So I'm going to give you an example of one of our items that we just sold. So this is the item that we just sold. It's going to be a half zip Nike men's pullover sweater for $69.99. So this is what we do when we sell an item. We check out the options of things that we can use to ship out, and I'm going to show you these options. These are 3 options we show for a typical sweater that we sell that would fit in these categories, which is going to be a poly mailer, a priority box, and also a flat rate envelope. So the poly mailer, we typically only use it when the item is less than 16 ounces. And this item we actually weighed in, it actually weighs around 20 ounces, so it's a little bit more. We're not able to use this item, but this item is very useful, and we usually use it for items that weigh less than 16 ounces. I'm going to leave a link below for the poly mailer so you guys can purchase it, because these are very useful and it helps you save a lot of money for items that weigh less than 16 ounces. These 2 last options are the ones that we're able to use since the item weighs more than 16 ounces. It's going to be a priority mailing box and a flat rate envelope. And I want you to see how you can compare it so you can see that you're saving money. I'm going to show you just here how you can compare it. So this first one, I'm actually showing the priority mailing box. And since I weighed it, it weighs 1 pound 4 ounces, which is going to be 20 ounces. And you can see the difference with this. It's $10.54 that we would be spending on this transaction for the postage cost. And if you look at this next one, which is going to be the padded flat rate envelope, it's $7.33. So as you can see, it's a lot cheaper to send it out with a padded envelope. And you can check in the services just by clicking on services, and it gives you a bunch of different options. It lets you know exactly what the item would cost, but we already know what we can use for the item to ship out, which would either be the box or the padded envelope. So as you can see, it's $7.33 compared to $10.54. So we're obviously going to go with the $7.33 option. And you see here in green, it says your eBay discount. And for both of them, they're different. One shows 26%, one shows 8%. But when you have an eBay store and you sell a certain amount of items, eBay gives you a discount for shipping. So it's always beneficial to have an eBay store so you can save even more money. Also, the box and the padded flat rate envelope you can get for free in USPS.com. All you got to do is make an account, and it tells you can order them for free, and it's a certain amount that you can order, but you got to check it out for yourself. So you're saving a bunch of money with these things because they're for free. You know, who doesn't want to save money? It's a lot better than purchasing boxes or poly mailers, but the poly mailers we purchase are worth it for items that are smaller because USPS doesn't offer anything that's cheaper with the poly mailer besides the padded flat rate envelope and the cardboard box as well. Also, I want to mention the things that you need in order to ship the items out. You would need a printer, you would need tape, and a scale. I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can purchase these things so you can start your eBay store as soon as possible. So the last step for this, after you're done with all this, is you're going to take it to the post office and drop it off.
Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 6 tips, and hopefully you can use these methods to save money when it comes to shipping. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you guys learned something new. And also don't forget to subscribe. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.